Your session is done. You've selected your favorites, but what can you expect in retouching? I'm Scott Lawrence, a professional headshot and portrait photographer based here in Detroit. I've worked with hundreds of professionals just like you. Thanks for stopping by. For the best headshot tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you'll be notified when new videos are available. This video will cover the basics of what to expect with professional retouching. I believe in a responsible retouching approach. But what does that mean for your image? I talk with clients all the time about the retouching process. And yes, I've heard every request you can think of, so don't worry, you're in good hands. My retouching approach will certainly reduce the stray hairs and flyaways, but not all of them, otherwise you're going to get that helmet hair look. You don't want that. We'll certainly remove blemishes or any shaving cuts, so no need to cancel your session because of a cut on the neck. We'll brighten your eyes, whiten your teeth a little, so don't worry about those last-minute teeth whitening appointments. And we'll certainly remove or reduce some of the lines under your eyes, some of those crow's feet, that sort of thing. I'll also thin some of the facial lines, or laugh lines, as you might hear them called. That's kind of the lines around here when you laugh or smile. I'll certainly reduce any reflections in your glasses, but probably won't completely eliminate them just because it's not as big of a deal as you think. And our brains are actually used to seeing a little reflection in a lens. I mean, after all, it's physics. There's going to be some light bouncing around in there. So don't get too hung up on that fact. And then I'll remove any obvious lint or stray hairs that may have been stuck on your jacket or shirt during the session. Do you have a specific concern? Let me know, and I'll be sure to let you know what's possible while still maintaining a natural look. We can also do some slimming and tucking around the face and shoulders. Everybody likes to hear that. And we'll also clean up the edges around your shoulders or your coat, jacket, that sort of thing. Just give you a nice it'll just give you a nice clothing line. And if you need a little extra space in your image, maybe for a certain layout need, like say a Facebook banner, we can certainly extend the background in your image to fit a particular space. That's one of the great things about a studio backdrop, is it gives you infinite flexibility in terms of layout. That's really the basics of my retouching approach. Again, the whole idea is to show you kind of the best version of you today. Not you from 20 or 30 years ago. We're showing you today. To do otherwise is really against the idea of an honest headshot. What other questions do you have? I'd be curious. Retouching is certainly a controversial subject, so be curious what you guys think. And please keep watching for more headshot tips, and don't forget to grab that free session guide. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with a friend, especially somebody who might be in the market for a new image.